Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I am going to be sharing a tip on how to reduce shoulder, neck, upper back tension, and chest tension. A lot of us spend a lot of time sitting, and we spend a lot of time in front of devices, whether that be a phone, a tablet, or a computer, and we tend to have a posture where our shoulders are coming up and rolling forward and our neck is going forward. And all of that is creating tension, all of those areas I mentioned, the neck, the upper back, the shoulder, and the chest. And that posture can cause a lot of pain, discomfort, and dysfunction in your body. This is a really helpful stretch that can help to open the chest up, open the shoulder up, and start to improve that posture, improve some of those symptoms, and improve the function in those areas. Let's go ahead and do a demonstration of that. You can see here in the doorway, it's simply called a doorway stretch. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch the right shoulder and chest area. So you can see that my elbow is at the same height as my shoulder. I don't have my elbow all the way up or drop down. We want those to be level. If I'm stretching the right side, I want the right leg to come forward slightly. I want my head to be stacked over my shoulders and torso. I don't want to be leaning forward with my head, no forward head posture. And then you're simply going to lean forward, lunge forward into that same side leg to open and stretch that area. You should feel a stretch into the chest and up into the shoulder area. You shouldn't feel pinching. If you do, back off or don't do it. You might need to be evaluated for whether that's appropriate for you at the time. For that stretch, I recommend that you do it twice a day to start 30 seconds to a minute, whatever you can tolerate. As you get more flexibility, as the tension goes down in those areas, I recommend longer, because the longer that we hold it, that tissue will actually hold that stretch for longer. That's actually the intention of the exercise. And I definitely recommend that you do it on both sides. We always want to have symmetry when we're working on things in the extremity, so we don't want to be creating any imbalances with the things that we're doing. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.